What if I told you that you could turn a simple device in your home into a money-making GPU powerhouse, fueling the next AI revolution and the cloud gaming boom? Sounds like science fiction, right? Well, it's happening right now. Today, we're diving into the Aethir Edge, a decentralized GPU cloud miner that's got a lot of people buzzing. And stick around because we got a special discount code for you if you decide to jump in. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another YouTube video. My name is Chris, and I couldn't be more excited about today's topic. Today, we are talking about the Aethir Edge. It's a new plug-and-play device that lets you earn passive income by supplying GPU power to a decentralized cloud network. If you're into crypto mining, AI, or just making money while you sleep, this is definitely something you'll want to hear. And by the way, I partnered with Helium Deploy to get you guys a nice discount on the Aethir Edge. The link will be in the description if you guys want to pick one up. So first things first, what is the Aethir Edge? Simply put, Aethir is building a decentralized GPU cloud. Think of it like the Airbnb of computing power. AI companies, game developers, and other businesses can rent GPU power from a distributed network instead of a central data center. And Aethir Edge is the hardware that makes it all possible. Your personal edge device that plugs into this network and earns you crypto in return. It's a sleek, quiet miner you can run at home that contributes GPU computing to Aethir's cloud. The Aethir Edge device is truly plug and play, with setup taking under 10 minutes. Inside is enterprise-grade tech. It runs a powerful Qualcomm Snapdragon 865 chipset with an optimized Android-based OS. This means it's designed for efficiency and performance. In fact, it's so energy efficient that it costs less than 25 cents a day in electricity to run. I know that is awesome compared to GPU mining and ASIC mining. So no loud fans, no hefty power bills, no technical fuss. All you have to do is connect it to the power of the internet and you're good to go. Once online, your Aethir Edge becomes a node in their decentralized cloud, and instead of giant warehouses or servers, Aethir spreads the computing workload across many small devices worldwide. AI developers and businesses can rent computing power from this network on demand, and node operators like you get paid in return. So it's a win-win. Companies get cost-effective distributed GPU power, and you earn crypto for providing it. Aethir calls itself the only enterprise-grade AI-focused GPU as a service provider in the decentralized market. Don't say that 3 times fast. Meaning they're working with serious hardware and clients. So we're talking real enterprise clients. In fact, Aethir has contracts with one of the largest telecom companies to power cloud gaming services. So this isn't just a hobby project, it's a major decentralized infrastructure play. So here's a quick rundown of the decentralized GPU cloud concept. Instead of relying on a single data center, Aethir's cloud is spread across many edge devices. These devices, like the one that you can own, are the containers of computing power in the network. When an AI company or a game streaming service needs GPU resources, Aethir's system intelligently matches them to one of the devices in the network to run the task. The network has different roles. Some devices provide the GPU muscle, and other nodes in the system verify and coordinate the work to ensure everything runs smoothly and securely. All of this is done with blockchain-backed oversight and Aethir's native crypto token, ATH, functioning as the fuel of the ecosystem. So to summarize, Aethir Edge is your ticket to participate in a distributed GPU cloud. You plug in this device at home, it connects to Aethir's network, and it starts handling computing tasks for companies out there, tasks like rendering games, running AI algorithms, maybe even powering virtual reality or complex simulations. And for providing that service, you earn ATH crypto tokens. It's like you become a mini cloud provider. Now you might be wondering, why do we need a decentralized GPU cloud? What's the big deal with GPU power right now? In one word, demand. The demand for high-performance computing, especially GPUs, is exploding on multiple fronts. Artificial intelligence and cloud gaming are 2 huge ones off the bat. Let's put this into perspective with a few numbers. The AI industry is going through a massive boom. All of those AI models, from ChatGPT to self-driving car algorithms, need lots of GPU compute. How massive is this demand exactly? Well, NVIDIA's CEO Jensen Huang recently predicted that data center spending, largely for AI hardware, could hit $1 trillion by 2028. That's trillion with a T, an almost unimaginable number, but it shows how every tech giant is racing to add more GPU power for AI. Meanwhile, look at cloud gaming, the idea of streaming high-end video games from the cloud to your device. In 2020, the global cloud gaming market was only about 244 million, but by 2030, it's projected to skyrocket to nearly 22 billion. Yes, billions. That's a roughly 90x growth in just a decade. So gamers are increasingly ditching expensive consoles and gaming PCs in favor of streaming games, which requires tons of GPU servers on the back end. And it doesn't stop there. GPU as a service, which is exactly what Aethir provides, is set to boom. Analysts forecast this cloud GPU service market to grow from around 3.3 billion in 2023 to almost 34 billion by 2032, roughly a 10x expansion in the next few years. In short, demand for GPU computing is off the charts and still climbing. Now those numbers are insane, right? AI gaming, graphics, research, they're all hungry for more compute. This puts Aethir in a prime position. By decentralizing GPU power, Aethir can tap into that huge demand in a way traditional providers can't. It can offer low latency because edge devices are spread out closer to users, potentially lower costs, and a more robust network by not having a single point of failure. And for us as crypto investors, it means we can own a piece of this massive market rather than just watching NVIDIA or cloud providers reap all of the benefits. So think about it. Owning a Aethir edge device is like owning a tiny slice of a data center that's servicing the hottest growth sectors out there. And because it's decentralized and tokenized, the value flows back to the device owners, that's us, in the form of crypto rewards. This makes Aethir Edge such a strong opportunity for crypto investors. We're essentially aligning ourselves with the growth of AI and cloud gaming, and we're getting in early on a brand new decentralized network. Early adopters of these kinds of networks often see the biggest gains. Just look at how Helium hotspot owners profited by being early in decentralized wireless. To give you an idea of scale, Aethir isn't starting small. Reports suggest they have thousands of high-end GPUs already in their network, possibly on the order of 3,000 to 4,000 NVIDIA H100s, that's the top of the line AI chips, and tens of thousands more enterprise GPUs in reserve. In fact, Aethir's compute network could be 5 to 20 times larger than the nearest competitor in decentralized GPU computing. So you're hitching your wagon to a project with serious horsepower and backing. This isn't just some garage crypto miner, it's an enterprise scale platform that you can participate in from home. Okay, so let's talk about what's in it for you and me in concrete terms, the passive income. Aethir Edge devices earn these ATH tokens as rewards for contributing to the network. Now here's the exciting part. To jumpstart the network, the Aethir team has introduced enhanced rewards for earlier adopters. So right now, each Aethir Edge can earn about 100 ATH tokens per day on average, assuming you keep your device online and meet the uptime/bandwidth guidelines. That's still working as of April 2025. I'm still earning 100 tokens per day. At the current market price of ATH, that's roughly around $3 per day in rewards. Roughly $3 a day just for having this device plugged in. Over the course of a year, you're looking at the potential of over $1,000 in earnings, and that's only if the token prices hold up. Remember, the token price can go up, but it can also go down. But remember, while this device itself only costs around $13.99 and less with the discount code, it could pay for itself in under a year based on those current rewards. Now, of course, crypto rewards can fluctuate, and those 100 ATH a day bonuses are slated to adjust after June 2025. The community expects it might drop to around 30 per day. It's not exactly confirmed, but by that time, the network usage could be ramping up with actual AI and gaming tasks, which may bring additional earnings for real workload demand. Plus, Aethir has plans to introduce task-based rewards down the line, meaning if your node performs a lot of useful work, you could earn even more on top of the base rate. The bottom line is that early adopters are being heavily incentivized right now. I'm guilty of being an early adopter, and as the project grows, there could be multiple income streams for node operators. And let's not forget the ATH token itself. This isn't a token with no use, it's actually the currency of the whole platform. Clients who want to rent GPU power on Aethir pay in ATH tokens for those services. This means as demand for AI and gaming compute increases, there will naturally be demand for these ATH tokens to power those transactions. So the token you're earning has intrinsic utility. On top of that, the ATH token holders get governance rights and can stake for various roles in the ecosystem. We've seen this in many other projects. Aethir has structured things smartly. For example, only a portion of your daily rewards are immediately unlocked, being 30% can be claimed right away, with the rest vesting over a few months. This kind of vesting model helps maintain token stability and long-term value for everyone, and it shows the team is thinking long-term. They don't want this to just be a cash cow and leave. They want this token to grow with the platform. So as a crypto investor, you're not earning a token. Think of it as you're accumulating an asset that could appreciate as the Aethir network becomes the go-to decentralized cloud. It's passive income with upside potential. And all the while, you literally plug in this device and let it do its thing. You don't have to maintain it. There's no heavy lifting required. So if this isn't making you excited about the possibilities, I don't know what will. You're basically leveraging two of the biggest tech trends right now, AI and cloud gaming, and the hottest crypto trend, DeepIn, which is like basically what my channel is about, decentralized physical infrastructure networks, at the same time. Aethir Edge lets you join this revolution from your home and earn money for it. Now, it's not often that we, as everyday investors, get the chance to participate in building out infrastructure that normally only big tech companies provide. This is ground floor access to a potentially huge decentralized network. And the fact that you can earn passive crypto income daily is just awesome. Now, if you're thinking, okay, I'm sold, how do I get one of these? I've got you covered. Let's walk through how to get started with the Aethir Edge step by step. And remember that I have a discount code to make it easier for you to jump in. So getting started is pretty straightforward. Here's what you need to do. First, you got to order your device. So head over to Helium Deploy or my personal website. They're the official distributor for Aethir Edge, and find the Aethir Edge product page and add it to your cart. Now, if you were to check out directly through my site, you don't have to worry about applying the discount code. But if not, if you want to go directly to Helium Deploy, you can use discount code BlockchainBay50 to get $50 off your Aethir Edge purchase. And I will also put it in the video description for easy access. So once your Aethir Edge device arrives, I already did make an unboxing video on it, but I'll just walk you through it. As of now, units are in stock and shipping just takes a few days. All you have to do is unbox it, plug it into a power outlet, connect the device to the internet, and for best results, use the included Ethernet cable. Although it does work over Wi-Fi, it is recommended to use an Ethernet cable for maximum stability and bandwidth. Now, the device is compact and silent, so you can set it up in your office, living room, or even a closet. That's where I have mine actually right behind me. Anywhere with a decent internet connection will do. Next, you'll want to set up the Aethir Edge app, which is technically a dashboard on the web, and it's pretty easy to get started. All you have to do is make a simple sign up with your email and password and scan the QR code on the Aethir Edge device, and it will connect to your account. Now, to fully activate the device on the network, Aethir requires a stake of ATH tokens as a deposit. But don't worry, this is not a fee you lose. It's more like a security deposit to ensure node operators stay honest. Now, this is an ever-changing amount. Most recently, when I did it, it cost about $70 USD that you'll need to stake. The app will guide you through acquiring those ATH tokens, whether it be through Uniswap or their portal, and staking them to your node. Once staked, your Aethir Edge is officially online and part of the network. And if you ever decide you want to stop, you can actually unstake and get those tokens back. There are a few steps to do that. But again, Aethir's guide walks you through it in a beginner-friendly way, so anybody can do it, even your grandma. Now, I did want to mention that KYC verification is required at some point. Since real businesses use this network, they have to follow compliance for cashing out rewards. So be prepared to verify your identity when withdrawing your earnings later. And again, you don't have to micromanage anything. You can check the app/dashboard to see your ATH tokens piling up every day. But remember, about 30% of those rewards are immediately claimable, with the rest vesting over 90 and 100 days respectively. So you'll always have new tokens coming in every single day. The device will quietly run in the background, drawing very little power, and you can go about your life while it earns for you. It's truly a earn while you sleep setup. Aethir even allows you to have multiple devices if you want to scale up your operation. There's no limit per user. The only limit would be your wallet. So you could place a few of these in different locations to maximize coverage and income if you really wanted to go big. While setup for this device is really easy, the Aethir community and Helium Deploy and myself and my Discord server, we have lots of resources to help you if you get stuck. But from my experience, this was one of the easiest devices to set up. You stake your tokens and boom, you're mining. The best part is now you're earning passive income in a cutting edge crypto project. Every day when you check that app, more ATH tokens are earned, and it feels awesome knowing your little box is helping run AI workloads or stream gaming opportunities in the world. So let me know what you guys think about the Aethir Edge. I did do an unboxing video just recently on my channel. If you guys want to check that out, it'll be up here as well as in the description below. And if you have one of these devices, I want to hear what your experiences with it were. For me personally, I mean, it was so easy. I just scanned the QR code, staked the tokens, and I've been earning. And now I'm excited to include this device in my monthly earnings videos. I don't know if you guys also noticed, I scripted this video for the first time. So let me know what you guys think about that. Do you like the content? Is it kind of elevated in terms of what I can provide, or do you guys like the old style? I think personally this is a really good step in the right direction. Another thing, if you guys also noticed in the video, is I did launch my website. And if you guys want to check it out and buy anything, it's actually an affiliate store through Helium Deploy, so I don't handle any of the shipping. But if you purchase it through my site, basically adding it to the cart and clicking checkout, it'll take you to Helium Deploy's website and automatically apply the best discount code for you. And I do get a small kickback, but it will give us both a good deal. So if you guys are interested, that will also be in the link in the description below. But thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you all in the next video. Have a great one. Peace out.